Yeah, my name is Gautam. I had a great learn journey with eVision TechnoServe, and I am happy to share that I have been placed in Viga Intelsoft company as a IT help desk executive. Before joining company, I started joining with eVision TechnoServe. They provided 45 days internship programs, and also I learned about networking fundamentals, virtualization, CCNA, ITIL, Windows administration, etc. The trainer provided was very excellent and focused strongly on practicals and industry relevant skills they provided, which helped me gain more confidence and prepare for real world IT roles. The trainer were very supportive and explained concepts clearly until fully understand them. I am truly grateful for the guidance and the continuous support from Deepthi ma'am and Priya ma'am and placement team and the entire staff. They encourage and structured training played a key role in the placement. I would highly recommend eVision TechnoServe to anyone looking to start or grow their career in IT industries. Thank you.